Today we leave Utah and head on over to Colorado for a couple of quick stops on our way home. Today's ride is the brushless Redcat Ascent 18, also known as the Blue Dog. This whole trip was about enjoying my little crawlers, and made full use of it by coming across these two quick stops. It was really nice to just stop right along the road whenever I felt like it, find a place to crawl. This old stub here turned out to be a nice challenge and was the highlight of this stop. I tried this thing at least a dozen times, and I made it exactly twice. Having conquered the stump, I explored a little bit more and found a few more interesting lines. And after that, had a good stretch of the legs and trailed the truck on back to the car. And a ways on down the road, I found another stop. Nice little river there, very beautiful scenery. There was a road, it was literally right off the road there. And it was just a very nice place to be. Lots of rocks and some gravelly scramble stuff. So, had a good, interesting stop here, several good lines. It didn't take me long to discover that this was actually a popular stop with the ladies. Back behind some of these big rocks were several discarded used feminine products. Don't worry, I won't show you any. So that kind of put a damper on my desire to explore the area, and I stuck kind of close to the car. But this particular line turned out to be a very good, interesting rock to climb up. Real good challenge for the little truck. As I was getting ready to leave, I found this perfect rock. I thought, boy, this is going to be a good challenge. I could spend quite a bit of time trying to find a good way up this. But my perfect challenge turned into no challenge at all. At this point, the battery died, and I was done. All my other rigs had been discharged as well, and I was just not charging them because I was making my way home. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the Tiny Truck Travel series. I sure had a blast. If you haven't seen my other videos, there are numerous stops in Utah, also in Arizona, and one in Wyoming. Also, check out the description. I'll give you the specs on this rig and the crawler locations. Happy crawling.